I need to get my windows tinted now. Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes, guys. Check this out though. We got a brand new Tesla. We're gonna be applying some window tint. And it is a rainy day here in Corona. So we ain't gonna let the rain stop us from tinting any vehicle. A lot of people don't know, in the sunshine or in the rain, sometimes even in the rain is better to tint a vehicle because there's not that much dust in the air, right, from the waterfall. So we're gonna go ahead and tint this car. We're adding our Wing Coast ceramic. Guys, right now, we are having a good sale going on. It's a promotion that we're running through this month. So hit us up if you guys need any window tint. I'll show you guys what this one looks like now. Check out the sides right here, David. As you can see, this has no tint on it. It's pretty clear. Let's go in here, back it up a little bit. It's got no tint on it. It does have the factory shade on the back. So you have two options, guys. When you get this kind of car, you can throw tint on the two fronts just to match the factory, or you can tint the whole vehicle. We can add tint on top of the factory shade that you have now. What we're gonna be applying on this one is our Wing Coast 10% all the way around. Go ahead and push pause D. Okay, so the film that we're applying is our Wing Coast. Okay, guys? We're gonna do the 10% all the way around. If you look at these numbers right here, the VLT is the shade of the film. Infrared rejection is the numbers that you want to look for. That's how much sunlight's going to block. 10% is going to block 91. Heat rejection is going to be 62, and then the glare reduction is going to be at 88%. So 10% was recommended all the way around, and then throw on a nice light shade on the windshield to help you even more with the sunlight. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys how the vehicle looks like when it's all done. And if you guys need any window tint, you guys can contact us here, Steve's Garage. This is our telephone number, or you can reach us. Call us to book in your appointment. And guys, don't forget, support your local small business. Let's go.